Hello everyone, so hope so you all are doing good. So in today's video we are going to learn how we can enable or disable the keyboard of the laptop. So without wasting the time, let's get into the video. The process is pretty simple. So to enable or disable the keyboard from the laptop of the laptop, you just need to double click on this PC. Once you do it, then you need to right click on this PC and click on the manage icon. In the manage, when you click on the manage icon, a window will pop up just like this one, and from these you have to go into the device manager. Here you can see when I click on the device manager, I have a lot of options available here. So in these options we will be going to click on this keyboard, because we need to enable or disable the keyboard. So when I click on it, so now here is a keyboard, standard one key or Microsoft Natural PS keyboard for HP hotkey support. So to disable or enable this keyboard, I will right click on this keyboard and click on this properties, and on the properties icon you will need to go into the drivers section. Here in the driver section you can see that there are options available for driver details, update driver, rollback driver, disable device or uninstall device. So if you want to disable or disable your keyboard, so here you can see that disable option is not available. So we need to uninstall the device in order to disconnect the keyboard from the laptop. Okay, so once you click on this, your keyboard will be disabled and you will be no longer have the access to into the keyboard. So to enable the keyboard, you need to update driver and select. So for example, if I click on this update driver icon, so it will automatically I will choose this one, browse my computers for drivers. So or you can also you can here you can see that it has found this driver in my computer, so I will click on and close it. Okay, now if you want to search the driver in the internet, you can click on this browse my computer for search automatically for drivers across the internet. So you can click on this one. Okay, and here you can that's how you can enable or disable the keyboard of the laptop. So that's all for today.